Alrighty, let's get my scissors here and open up my BC Racing custom coilovers for the Datsun 280Z. Oh, ooh, caution. Ensure you receive the correct items. Look at that, stickers. Oh, weld in. Oh, disclaimers. Make sure you know how to weld it in before you weld it in. Ooh. Man, nice paper. Paper. Sweet paper. Look at these bad mammoth jammas. Ooh, that's nice. That is a nice fucking piece of coilover. So yeah, BC Racing with the top hats. So I got these from offroadracing.ca. Must get, there's our wrenches. So yeah, I got these from from offroadracing.ca. They didn't normally sell them, but then I used a link off of Google when I searched in BC Racing Coilovers Canada, Datsun 280Z. And they did have them as a listable part. So yeah, I got these for 1,700 Canadian, which is a hell of a deal because usually they're around 2,000, and they had a 5% discount code. So I think it came to like $1,680 for the full set, which seems like a lot of money until I started breaking down doing the sleeve onto the OEM strut, or just cutting the strut down and getting strut tube down and getting a shorter strut, and then having to get adjustable perches. It came to actually cheaper just buying the coils, because the perches front and back is around 500 Canadian, give or take a little bit. New shocks were going to be about 150. I'd probably have to get stiffer springs if I was going to do the perches, so I need to go get, for a pair, probably another $200, so $400 plus the $500 plus another like $100 per shock, because I want to get like a KYB AGX series, so the kind of adjustable ones, so a nice strut, so I don't have a shitty ride height. Because I've had cars with cheap struts. I think it wasn't that big of a deal because a shock's a shock, and on the Capri it would always bottom out. And then when I went to I think it was a Coney Orange, that car actually had the same amount of travel when you hit bumps, but it was much smoother and it didn't bottom out as much, and it was a completely different ride. So I'm kind of sold on nice struts or shocks. But yeah, when you factor all that in, plus the time of having to fuck it around, you're only saving like $300-400, and then you're getting a much shittier product that you're having to do a lot of work. So this is hopefully just going to be a bing bang boom hamburger time type job of just taking out the struts, cutting it, maybe even doing the rears in place, to be honest with you, because I can get around with the TIG welder and just kind of wash it in. And yeah, we'll make a video on installing these probably this weekend, depending how many calls I get for after hours, but nevertheless they'll be in this month. So yeah, follow along for more content on the Datsun, as it seems to be taking up all my interest, and the Camaro is definitely taking a sidestep, and the 200, that's just collecting algae. Ooh, it's actually a little business card. You can put it in your wallet and cut your drugs up with it. So yeah, smell you later.